Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all are fine and doing well. Uh, Today we are here with Dr. Suhail Qureshi, basically, who is a molecular biologist with over 30 years post PhD experience as a researcher as well as science educator. And right now he is serving as a director of research at Shalamar Medical and Dental College. Sir, we welcome you.
Thank you.
And I
Good
hope
to be
you're
here.
doing good. Sir, it is one of the most awaited session with you right now, and one of the concern from the student is what is basically the networking and how networking is different from the other fields if we compare it with the medicine.
Okay, good to be here. Well, I am here. I work here, and thank you for the invitation. So this is a topic that is, I think, deeply important. It's a topic that doesn't receive that much attention. The old saying is that what goes for investing also goes for networking. The earlier you start, the more you gain from that. So, networking is all about relationships. It's not like you think it's a collection of business cards that you have, or you met somebody once and you feel that you have a network. You need to establish a rapport with that person. You need to head towards a relationship. And remember the word networking. There's work in there. Some people, it happens naturally. They love meeting new people. For others, it could be a daunting experience. Okay, you're at a conference or something and you have to meet somebody. Well, what are you going to do? So I think if I asked you, okay, how many of you would be the first one to break the ice? I don't know how many hands I would see in the audience. Okay, so in short, it's about establishing relationships that are going to benefit you as a person, as a professional, as a future leader, as somebody who wants to stay on top of things in terms of knowledge and the innovations and the breakthroughs. So that's what a network is. And you know that building a relationship, there's trust, confidence, honor, and all of these things. And it's a time-consuming process. ये नहीं है कि आपने एक दफ़ा मिल लिया किसी को and you have a relationship with them. And so I want you to really understand what that word means. कुछ लोग इसको कहेंगे कि networking is fake it till you make it. Okay, है कि market yourself as best as you can, use people, and we'll talk about that later on. Lekin I think the sooner you start your network, the better it is. Of course, unless you are like the modern day Leonardo da Vinci, totally brilliant, so that the world comes to you, you don't go to the world. If you are in that category, तो बस फिर ठीक है. लेकिन eventually तो, they say कि you're pretty lucky. It's people, it's that network that brings you the luck. जो लोग ही हैं ना वही काम कर रहे होते हैं हमारे. So I think I hope you do understand that it's not a one-off. It's not a collection of cards. It's a relationship that needs to be nurtured and sustained over time.
Sir, the next question we received was, what basically are the types of networking, particularly in the era of AI? There are in-person networking or online. So what do you say about in-person networking as well as online networking? What do you say about these?
Well, I think everybody would agree there's nothing like in-person networking. Lekin it can be frightening in person. Okay, you have to actually go to the person. You go to the person and then there's eye contact and there is some communication between both of you. And you want that communication to be intelligent communication. It's not going to be like ordinary stuff. You want to engage that person. You want to get their attention, that the conversation can go on. So I think we'll talk about it at the end. What are the tips for a person who is a good networker? लेकिन I think you'll be able to figure out what those tips are. I think people find it easier to establish virtual relationships. You know, आपने text कर दिया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, लेकिन there will come a day where whoever that person is, there will be a physical interaction. Might not happen, lekin I want you to be prepared for that. So what I notice these days is that people are not talking to each other. You know, I've been traveling over, I don't know, the last 40 years. I've had amazing experiences in airplanes, trains, and, you know, and buses. Met, you know, some really good people, and those conversations over 1, 2, sometimes even 12, 14 hours have led to, you know, good friendships. And wo kehte hain na ki I think we're pretty much 6 degrees away from everybody on the planet. So once you've carved out that relationship, so that leads to other relationships. So typically I find that if you meet somebody really nice, so then they also know a lot of nice people. And so when you meet one nice person, तो उसकी वजह से 6 nice लोग और भी मिल जाते हैं आपको. A nice person is somebody who is not just pleasant, but is helpful. And so, you know, the Lord works in mysterious ways. तो लेकिन don't think too deeply कि जब आप किसी को सलाम करते हैं, अगर आपका यही motive है कि मैंने किसी को इस्तेमाल करना है, you know, पहले सलाम के बाद, so then that conversation is it's not going to be good. You know, right away you say, well, you know, I'm looking for a job. That conversation is going to end abruptly. Adios, goodbye. Lekin, if you tell that person ke, you know, something interesting, something, maybe they've published a paper or something intelligent to get them engaged, so then the conversation will go on. So I think in-person networking, as scary as it sounds, is the way to go. So I'll give you a scenario that you're invited to a dinner at a party that has a lot of CEOs there, a lot of university presidents and deans and CEOs, and you're locked out, and you know your professor says, you know, aapne bhi aana hai shaam ko. And you enter that room, and you find all these remarkable people, and now you're figuring out a way कि यार मैंने जाके ना कहाँ से और किसके साथ मैंने गपशप शुरू कर दी. So you need to have a certain amount of confidence. If you don't, you'll open the door, जायजा लेंगे आप, and you'll run out of that room like anything. क्योंकि वो भी एक frightening experience होता है कि you feel that people are watching you. कि मैं आ गया हूँ कमरे में, मैं अकेला खड़ा हूँ या खड़ी हूँ, and you know I want to talk to people, लेकिन everybody's busy. What do I need to do to figure out कि मैंने किसके साथ जाके खड़ा होना है और किस किस्म की बातचीत शुरू करनी? So much of it is a lottery. You randomly meet somebody, you say, you know, how are you, etc., and the conversation begins, and you don't know where the conversation is going to go. It's kind of a motiveless thing, you know, let's just keep the conversation going. Not small talk, वो भी उसकी भी life कोई इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन something, you know, something concrete. Pakistan में the rules are a little different. I think you're going to have to praise somebody. Oh sir, आपसे अच्छा teacher तो मिला ही नहीं है कभी, और आपसे अच्छा HOD तो है ही कोई नहीं है, और वो ज़रा 1 फुट करीब आ जाएगा आपके. अच्छा बेटे continue. Lekin when you go to, you know, conferences in Europe and the US, none of that is going to work. And so वहाँ तो जाके आपने अपने आप को present करना होगा. And the best way to present yourself is to sort of, you know, reach in the top drawer and pull out some really good questions that will, you know, start the conversation. So I think I would urge you to sort of deal with that scenario. Okay, what would you do? What would be your first few questions to start a conversation? And then the follow-up. Okay, you met somebody at a party, there was an engaging conversation, and then, आपने कोई text भिजवानी है, email भिजवानी है, just so that, that person remembers who you are. Because this is like a collection of, a lot of people that's going to make your network. कुछ लोग ये भी कहते हैं, your network is your net worth. So depending upon the types of people you have in your network, I think it's it can be seen as a professional investment. Like I said, कुछ लोग जो है ना बड़े आराम से bonding हो जाती है. They're good conversationalists. To be a good conversationalist, you need to have a certain amount of knowledge, ताकि आप बातचीत कर सकें ठीक तरह से. And then some people are afraid. So I think as doctors, you understand that medicine is a social science. You are going to be dealing with people. And so if you have like people phobia, I would suggest that you throw that out of the window and start connecting with people. Eventually, the whole, if you have patients, you want to talk to them and you want to go deeper into, how they're feeling and, what's going on. So you might as well start early.
Sir, you have raised a very valid point here when you said about the marketing. So, sir, there are some myths about networking. Number one, is networking is like marketing? And the second I want you to comment on is if you need to be a graduate to do marketing.
Right. Okay, so there are myths associated with the networking. It's not the same as marketing, but maybe you can think of it as ethical marketing because आपने अपने आप को market करना है किस तरीके से in a responsible way, in a modest way. Keep in mind कि जब आपके interviews वगैरह होते हैं ना, I often find कि Pakistanis they don't know how to sell themselves, and so that's a window of opportunity that you need to sort of highlight what your strengths are. That's not a time that you want to be modest. You don't want the other person to read between your lines. You just want to be direct. So I find that Pakistanis जो है ना वो sometimes they're too modest and they're not able to market themselves. But marketing में तो ये होता है ना कि there's a closing. लेकिन network में तो it goes on until your last breath. There's really no closing. So the myths associated with networking are it's only for extroverted people. That's a myth. It's wrong. By the way, ये जो introverted लोग हैं ना इन्होंने भी एक तरह से ड्रामा ही बनाया हुआ है. क्योंकि जब ये दोस्त मिलते हैं ना introverts, तो they're like a house on fire. Their problem is that, when you are dealing with a stranger, so they freak out, how are we going to start the conversation? Lekin within their own circle, they are like, like, wow, if you have ever see two introverts talking, it's like, aap kahenge, yaar, ye kya ho raha hai yahan par? So that's a myth.
Yes.
Networking is only for the introverts. It's also a myth that networking is for professionals, senior people. And so you could start early if you want. It's also a myth that networking is only when you need help in times of crisis. कि आपको networking की ज़रूरत होती है, लेकिन वो जो early investments होती है ना आपकी लोगों में, the relationships that you've carved, that's the group that might come to your rescue जब कोई मसला आता है आपकी ज़िंदगी. Because these people have known you. Every year or every 6 months, there is, a text exchange. You tell them what's going on. Agar aap LinkedIn pe ho, so you talk about what your achievements are. Taki, within your professional network, people are in the know कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, or you're in the know कि दूसरा क्या कर रहा है. For you to call up somebody after 3 years and say कि I'm not sure if you remember that we met at this event 3 years ago, that's hard work. They might have met you and they might have forgotten you. So that's not going to work. लेकिन कामयाबी इसी में है कि you keep, pinging them periodically. ताकि remember the relationship. Like आपके अगर best friends हैं यहाँ पर, and if you two don't talk to each other for like 4 years, you know, वो तारें तो connected होंगी, लेकिन, you know, something is not going to be right. You're going to have difficulties starting that conversation after 4 years. And so these are some of the myths that, you know, वो introvert वाला एक है,
Yes, sir.
and, you know, एक वो वाला you have to be senior professionals, ऐसी भी कोई बात नहीं है. And the third one was क्या था?
Sir, marketing.
Yeah, कि whenever you're in deep need, तो फिर ही आप जो है ना. And the other one, people, there's also myth कि networking is basically using others. And that's a very bad way of, you know, looking at it. लेकिन remember पहले दिन से आपने ये नहीं सोचना कि मैं किस तरीके से इस बंदे को इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ. It's important. Otherwise, it will not be a warm conversation. The whole relationship will have a motive. कि मैंने कैसे इस बंदे को जो है ना इस्तेमाल करना है किसी दिन. Not good. So warmth नहीं रहेगी उस relationship में. वो बस एक, you know, एक business card ही रहेगा basically.
So, sir, आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की मार्केटिंग के बारे में. सर, मेरा अगला सवाल ये है कि what is the role of cold emailing if you want to approach a person जो कि एक प्रोफेशनल है या एक रिसर्चर है और आप उसके साथ कोलैबोरेट करना चाह रहे हैं. What is the role of cold emailing and what should be the structure of that?
Okay, so this is, I think, a widespread problem among pretty much all the Pakistani students. Mass mailings. I think iski wajah se, I think a huge number of people out there in developed countries, when they see an email is from Pakistan, it automatically goes into the bin. They don't even look at it. तो हम ही ने अपने लिए मसले खड़े किए हुए हैं. You want to send somebody an individualized email. Like, you know, your next, आपकी जो अगली position होगी, या, you know, the next job that you will be interviewing for, you need to have a set of attributes that allow you to stick out from everybody else. So you need to think about कि क्या मैं कर सकता हूँ इस email में to attract attention. Okay, there are recruiters, you know, use tactics like कि आपका CV जो है ना जरा yellow paper पे हो जाए, ताकि when you have a pile of CVs तो yellow, you know, जो है ना page color is going to attract attention. लेकिन अब तो email वाला ज़माना है, and a lot of companies are using AI to sift through their emails. So you need to figure out okay, what do you need to put in that email that somebody reads it at least. And you also have to figure out that somebody who's reading it doesn't have, you know, half an hour to give to you. So you gotta do something within, you know, 2-3 paragraphs just make the person is like immediately engaged. Okay, think of stuff that you need to put in that email ताकि वो बंदा जो है ना एकदम कहे, whoa, this is incredible. What kind of skills do you have? And remember, people are looking for other people. You know, professors, directors, उनकी कामयाबी इसी में है to recruit good people. That's the main responsibility of VCs and university presidents, and you know, how do I attract good people here? It's the biggest job that, you know, leaders have. And so, you know, so because you're always, you know, looking at, you know, what your institutional needs are, तो फिर आप जो है ना, you want to hire people who are really good. तो इसीलिए ना, people are looking for good people. Now, if you're average, and if you're presenting yourself as, you know, outstanding, so that's going to come through. It's a typical thing कि लोग exaggerate कर रहे होते हैं अपने आप को. लेकिन, you know, people are looking. So when you're sending 20 emails simultaneously, it's not going to work. You're not going to get a response. Rather, individualized email, and you know, they're humans, just like we are. They get up in the morning, they wash their face, they put on pants one leg at a time. You know, they publish stuff, they want people to praise them, their work. So nothing is better than starting off by saying, you know, I recently read your paper. Yeah, I recently heard your talk. in a conference, ताकि एक दो लाइनों में जो है ना आप उसको praise करें थोड़ा सा. That's a good way to attract attention. And then you go on in your second paragraph, why am I writing this? What is the purpose of this email? What kind of skill set do you have? What kind of a research experience you have? And then you close it, with whatever. But it has to be succinct, to the point, or ताकि दूसरा बंदा जो ना engage कर ले. So you're all smart enough to figure out, okay, what would that composition look like? Okay, आपने अच्छी तरह से सोचना है उसके बारे में. Remember, individualized, customized emails.
So,
In the subject, you can think about something creative. सबसे पहले तो उसकी email जो folder में है ना वही आएगा, email, and then from that person, and then the subject. And you could be creative with that कि subject क्या होगा ताकि that attracts attention. So I think it's a huge problem that Pakistani students have कि बैठे हुए हैं and mass emails हो रही हैं. And hence वैसे ही पाकिस्तान काफ़ी आजकल बदनाम ही है थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. तो वो I think people, लेकिन having said that, I assure you कि आप if you do things responsibly, अगर आपका CV is nicely composed, if your communication is good, तो I'm sure कि कहीं ना कहीं जो है ना somebody is going to pay attention to that. लेकिन keep in mind कि when you apply for jobs, your CV and your cover letter is representing you, or वो warm body interaction नहीं हुआ वहाँ पर. You're just mailing it to somebody, and they're reading it, and on the basis of that, they're going to either shortlist you or they're going to triage you. So you want to make sure कि आपका जो persona और जो चीजें हैं ना, they're well captured. सारी चीजें नहीं हो सकती हैं. I'll be honest with you, I have hired a lot of people over the years, and the stuff that I look for is energy, good communication, positive attitude, इस किस्म का ना, like जो चीजें CV पे नहीं ना होती हैं, those are the things that are deeply important for me. Passion, team play, empathy, creativity, courage, fearlessness. These are, the things that I'm looking for. Lekin if somebody has, a great CV and no energy and no positivity, no hard work, I would not want to touch that person ever. It's like goodbye. And if somebody is like, has all these things and not a stellar record, I'm gonna bring him close to me. So वो चीजें जो है ना इंटरव्यू पे सामने आती हैं फिर कि when your application rises to that level कि somebody is interviewing you, तो उसमें फिर आपने exhibit करनी होती हैं चीजें जो कि CV में नहीं होती. I'm just letting you know my secrets of hiring, what I see in a person. And as you grow in your professional life, आप लोग भी देखेंगे कि कामयाब वही लोग हैं who have energy, who have passion, and वो बस कोई अलग ही, they're like missionaries. वो jobbies नहीं हैं जो कि घड़ी देख के चल रहे होते हैं. They're like missionaries. And there's a difference between a jobbie and a missionary. So I think be very careful. Internally अगर हो सकता है, if you want to do something, I'm here. If you want me to look through your email communication or your CV, you're welcome to do a mock with me. Send me your application or your email, and then come to me the next day, how did you like that email? And then I can give you some feedback, wo kaisi thi. And so I'll be very happy to do that for you.
Sir, you are absolutely right. I can relate this. Last year I went to the US and I was emailing, and the doctor replied me, said the same thing as you have said. So I can relate what you have said.
What did he say?
That passion, that energy, and that how you can relate to the particular email, like how is basically you are approaching a person. That's what I think matters a lot too.
Yeah,
so, sir, according in the following this, what should our next question is that what should be the strategies a student should look for a right person, that this is the right person to approach, and what are the strategies to look for that?
Okay, so एक तो networking है, general networking. Kudos to people who love to meet new people. They just love meeting strangers. आप किसी train station पे and you want to start a conversation. Lekin then there is professional networking. Okay, that's a little different. So I suggest that you get out of your zone and start, connecting with people. And the sooner that happens, the better it is. So I note that, for example, every year I go to several conferences, और लाहौर में सबसे अच्छी conference होती है वो शौकत खानम का ही symposium होता है. And usually, Faisal Sultan and Asim, their CEO, their COO, हम खड़े होकर ये कह रहे होते हैं यार लाहौर में इतने सारे medical colleges हैं, इतने सारी universities हैं, लेकिन nobody's here. You go to the lecture halls, and the presenters are from Europe and the US, and the hall is empty. And they spend a lot of time and energy, यहाँ की conference से काफी मुख्तलिफ होती है. Speakers are good, लेकिन I find that students are not there. And that's a great opportunity for students to go, learn, and make connections to people. लेकिन it's not going on. I guess maybe your expectations are कि कोई आपके घर आके घंटी बजाएगा कि are you looking for an opportunity? That is unlikely to happen. You got to get out of your zone and move move. Go meet people, talk to them. So यार इसको तो काट देना ये जो excuse me वाला comment था. So the sooner you do that, and you have no idea, sometimes you meet a person, like recently मेरा कोई interaction हुआ था, I was on a flight from Brussels to London, and the flight was empty, and I'm studying this old chess match between Bobby Fischer and Spassky, and this guy is sitting like 2 seats away from me, and we started a conversation. And it turned out that he was a CEO of one of the largest healthcare providers in France. And then we exchanged cards and smiles and stuff, but it was a wonderful conversation. Imagine flight khali thi, and I'm sitting on one side of the aisle, he's sitting, and he just leans over, he goes, can you send that game to me? So, some breaking the ice kind of stuff. So, you got to move around. Do a lot of volunteer work. The kind of profession that you're in, it really wins people's hearts when they come across people who do volunteer stuff. Volunteer is a beautiful word. With your time, energy, money, your friendship, jo bhi hai, just go out and help people. Or publish good stuff. There is a problem that is arising here, because students are just after a lot of numbers. They're just like, we just want like publications coming out of our ears. That's going to catch up with you. Because if you write to a good professor, he's going to wonder, okay, how is this possible? In med school, you published, 5-6 papers. And when they look deeper into those, publications, they're going to find that this guy or this girl is not a quality conscious person. That's going to be the end of it. And those papers are going to be on your CV and in cyberspace. ChatGPT is going to know that terrible paper that you published. You will not be able to delete it from cyberspace. It's there. So you need to make sure that jo bhi agar aapne, whatever you publish good stuff. और वैसे भी अगर आपको अपनी नाम की इज्जत है, अपनी फैमिली की इज्जत है, तो then that's honor for you. जहां आपका नाम होगा, वहां that's going to be associated with good work, high quality work. Okay, so remember that. That's going to catch up with you. Okay, if you're publishing, rubbish, so somebody is going to question you. If you rise to that level of an interview, so somebody's going to go through your publications, and there's going to be some direct questions. from those papers, they will want to know, do you take ownership of what you published or not? And its quality, and they're going to gauge it by the impact factor of the journal that you published in. So I'm just letting you know, don't do something today that's going to end up costing you dearly in future. Okay, so पैगाम इसमें यही है कि I know you're the net generation. You'd rather just do texting and emails. That's not a replacement to meeting somebody one to one and carving a relationship with them. Okay, so advice: move, go to conferences, volunteer stuff, be visible. When you're visible, you're going to meet people, talk to them. Not only will that be a learning experience, lekin unke through you might be able to know other people too. And eventually, hopefully you someday when you become successful, so you will also become a node for a lot of other people. तो ये नहीं है कि मैं बस सब कामयाब हो गया हूँ and I just need to, delete all of my network. That's a mistake. वो किसी ने कहा हुआ ना कि be nice to the people on your way up because you'll be meeting the same people on the way down. So just because you have made it is no reason कि आप अपने network को जो है ना जला दें. Okay, that network is going to be your springboard. It's going to be your net. And I think बहुत सारी learning होगी वहाँ से आपकी. Okay?
Sir, as you said that we are text generation. So, sir, how we should maintain the professionalism when we are approaching someone who is our senior, of course?
Okay, so professionalism, I think you've seen enough movies. You've seen enough Netflix stuff. You've seen enough, courtroom dramas. You've seen enough, university dramas. And I think there's a lot of learning that has gone on inside you. What does a professional look like? And what does a professional sound like? There's something about that person who, is labeled as a professional. Remember, a professional is somebody who does something to earn a living. And so, I think, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना कि the elevator pitch, you get in an elevator and there's a very successful person there, and there's a good morning, good afternoon greeting, and now you've got 25 seconds to introduce yourself. What are you going to do? 25 सेकंड में आपने जो है ना किसी को इंट्रोड्यूस करवा देना है कि what you do and who you are, और करवाना भी ऐसे कि they never forget you. The elevator pitch, or you have some idea and you meet like Jeff Bezos, let's say, in an elevator, some chance coincidence, and he goes, how's it going? You have any brilliant ideas? Well, you pitch something to him and he never forgets you. You give him a card, Mr. Bezos, I would love to continue this conversation at some point. You'd be amazed what that last line does to you. There's a lot of amazing people out there who are willing to give you their time. Just a nice start to a conversation, a card, a greeting, a smile, some show of energy, good body language, good, a lot of things. So you'd be amazed what that does to you. The other option is you never talk to anybody. मौके आए, मौके चले गए, and वही वाला scene है, वो movies में नहीं होता, train जा रही है और आप खड़े हैं. Goodbye. So इसके लिए कुछ energy चाहिए होती है आप में. So let me ask you कि how many people, वो जो situation मैंने दी थी आपको, how many of you would be okay starting a conversation with a stranger? Raise your hands. Don't dramify yourself. Okay? Denial में नहीं रहना हमने. Let's see hands. Proper hands. आधा हाथ नहीं. Okay. So that doesn't mean that there's no hope for others. Remember, networking is a skill. You can acquire it. And कुछ लोग तो वो जैसे मैं कह रहा था ना, fake it till you make it. So if you don't have it in you, then put on an act that's going to be the mother of all acts. You know, you don't really want to meet new people. You're like, people. I want to stay away from people. You don't like shaking hands. Hugs to bahut dur ki baat hai. You know, फिर I think you're going to have to break that shell somehow. लेकिन हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह.
सर इसी कंटिन्यूएशन में मेरा एक पर्सन आपसे सवाल ये है कि हाउ वी कैन यूज़ सम प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक ट्विटर और लिंक्डइन फॉर नेटवर्किंग बेसिकली लाइक दीज डेज इन द एरा ऑफ AI how it is like professional enough to approach someone through those platforms.
Yeah. So पहली चीज तो ये ना कि you need to make yourself visible to the world, either in person or on some of these, networks. और उसमें आपने अच्छे तरीके से जो है ना अपनी प्रोफाइल बनानी है. Sometimes I find कि लोग अपनी जो है ना सबसे जो weird किस्म की फोटोज होती हैं ना वो लगा देते. Okay, so उस किस्म की फोटो जो है ना maybe I'm वो जो है ना baby boomer generation वो वाली पुराने वाली. Maybe it's okay for the new generation, लेकिन remember उसी network पे there's going to be CEOs and presidents. You're looking at a lot of mix of people. And so, unless you want to tell the world that you are totally weird, which is okay, I guess. It's up to you कि आप क्या दुनिया को चेहरा दिखाना चाह रहे हैं. Because, there are recruiters out there, they're actively recruiting weird people. I think weird is good. Too much weird is okay. I like that because that means that you think out of the box. Okay, you're not a conformist. You live inside out. And I respect that. Like, not everybody might be. Pakistan, there's very few people like this who will sort of, say what I've just said. Yahan koi norms hain that you need to observe. So let's say, he develops a huge big tattoo here on his arm. और ये यहाँ इंटरव्यू देने जाता है with a short sleeve shirt, तो वो सारी कमेटी तो उसके बाजू को देख रही होगी. And somebody is going to say, बेटे ये क्या, हालांकि it's not their business to ask him कि what that is. लेकिन यहाँ it seems to me कि लोगों का business है to get into your personal life. आपके वालिद साहब क्या करते हैं और रहते किधर हो. It's not how it is in developed countries. So सवाल क्या था दोबारा बताना?
Sir, question was how LinkedIn and X can be used.
पहले तो आप लोगों ने अपनी प्रोफाइल बनानी है in such a way that it's catchy. और जो आपके professional experiences हैं, जो educational experiences हैं, whatever you've gone, you have put them down very nicely. That you look good. It's like your CV in cyberspace. If somebody clicks and then, they look at your accomplishments, what schools you've been to, what papers you've published, what are your hobbies. So LinkedIn is a good one. Usme you'll find all kinds of people, but there are others also. I think in the US there is a Doxicity ek hai. There's another one called Surma. Surma has all physicians on it. Doxicity mein, there's a lot of healthcare professionals. Twitter is not great. Twitter has about 27,000 US physicians on it and around 75,000, healthcare providers all over the world. So Twitter is, I think to be on Twitter, I don't know how successful you're going to be making connections to people on Twitter. मुझे लगता है कि Twitter is sort of analogous to उसमें जो लोग हैं ना, they slightly arrogant. They want the world to know who they are. And so I think you have to be careful कि किस किस्म के लोग आपको मिलेंगे, लेकिन हैं ऐसे.
Yes.
ResearchGate is another one. लेकिन once again आप लोगों ने actively जाके ना लोगों को आपने actively involve होना networking में. लेकिन I guess उसके अंदर the most important thing is कि आपकी जिंदगी का purpose क्या है? Are you loving medicine? Are you hating medicine? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? उसके मुताबिक ही हमने कोई network अपना बनाना है. वो ना हो कि you have a network of business people and now you need to find a job in some as a surgeon. Well, it's like, oh my God, why don't I develop a network of surgeons or physicians? What have I done here? So that's an advice that I was going to talk about at the end. Lekin why not share it right now? Okay, before you reach out to professionals, you need to figure out where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? आजकल के careers are non-linear, many of them. ये नहीं है कि you become a doctor तो सारी जिंदगी आप doctor रहेंगे. You might become an entrepreneur. You might end up doing something else. You might get bored. You might hate what you're doing. And maybe there's a U-turn. हो सकता है somebody might go to business school afterwards in a few years. तो वो keep in mind कि our professional journeys sometimes change because we meet one person. Or personally भी ऐसी है. You might come across one person who might change you. The direction that you're in philosophically, spiritually, professionally, and a lot of those things happen. So you've got to figure out what are you passionate about? What do you want to devote your life, doing? Would you, for example, if you were a physician right now, would you volunteer to be part of the Médecins Sans Frontières, which is an organization that goes to areas that require doctors, and those are areas that are like really in dire need of doctors. Would you be willing to do something like this? Yeah, nahi. Because उसमें अगर आप आ जाते हो ना, you're automatically connected to hundreds of amazing people. Everybody with a giving attitude. Money is not important, but serving humanity is important. But isn't that also the purpose of your life? Or should be the purpose of your lives? So you want to try to get into networks where you have amazing people, not because they have a lot of money, but because they're deeply passionate about serving humanity. And you'll be able to find that wo connection bade aram se bhi ban jayega. Because they're caring people. Empathy, they're full of empathy, they want to help people, the sick and the healthy. So उस circle को किस तरीके से ढूंढना होगा आपने. And there are ways how to get inside those circles. Once you're in, so then you're on a trampoline, they're going to push you to, the stratosphere. लेकिन आपने कोई energy दिखानी है. आजकल तो वैसे you can sit on the net and you can explore so much कि दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. Same with the research opportunities, if I might add. कि I've heard a lot of students who, after doing their MBBS, they just want to go abroad and do a research kind of a thing for 1 or 2 years. Some of them, the brave ones, are thinking about careers in maybe doing a PhD and becoming, sort of doctors that would be employed at like university hospitals, where half your responsibility is research and the other half would be clinic. इस किस्म की चीजें. लेकिन you need to figure out where do you wish to go. और 1-2 साल पहले, if you can come up with a game plan, talk to responsible professionals here within your circle, seek guidance from them. Do not just go to one person. That sometimes, you need people who've been there, who've done that. They're in a much better position to give you an advice as compared to somebody who's never been abroad. So internal vetting is important. I hope you all have good mentors. Lekin I've found a number of people who were misguided. Like, can you imagine that? Okay, they met this one person and they said, you need to do this, and they did it, and then there was a, oh my God moment. After 2-3 saal ki, this is not where I wanted to end up.
Yes, sir. Sir, ये सब कुछ तो जो आपने बताया ये तो obviously that is something very important, but एक hurdle जो as a student हमें face करना पड़ता है that if we approach a person through email, so how to do a follow-up without being pushy or persistent enough?
Yeah, so follow-ups
something important.
are bad. They're thought of as pushy. Dear Professor X, I sent you an email several weeks ago. I'd like to know the status of, whatever. So, you don't know whether that email has ended up in garbage or not. There was a study that was done that if somebody doesn't respond to your email within half an hour, the chances are pretty good you're not going to get a response. Okay? So, वो कहते हैं ना, what's the best time to do anything? Now. आपको email आई है, you read it very quickly and you respond. Okay, if you ask for more information, तो वो चल रही है conversation. लेकिन follow-ups are bad. I think advice for all of you, and I keep repeating this, be visible, go to conferences. अभी शौकत खानम की आ रही है ना conference. I think it's in October. I would love to see all of you there. Because speakers अच्छे होते हैं. It's like a 3-day event. मुख्तलिफ sessions होते हैं. मेरी तो ख्वाहिश होगी कि you go to the principal and say sir 3 दिन की छुट्टी दे दें. लेकिन आप लोगों ने फिर वो जाना ही नहीं है वहाँ पर. प्रिंसिपल छुट्टी भी दे देंगे फिर वहाँ उन्होंने कहना है कि वहाँ ना कोई अंगूठा लगा देते हैं वहाँ पर तक फिर आपने अंगूठे भी लगा देने ऊपर. वो नादियाज में बैठ के अपने चाय पीनी होगी. नीचे कौन जाए, कौन बातें करे, कौन सुने. It's like anything, छुट्टी is a great word. लेकिन आपको ना थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी ऐसे. It's work. And people are not going to come to you. So वो हो गया. And then और भी तो conferences होती हैं ना. अभी जैसे we have Essentials in Neuroscience, the lectures coming up by Dr. Athar Inam. I think go, learn, drink from the fountain of knowledge. And, think about ideas, maybe publish, short papers, case reports, be seen, talk about technologies to people, read about, what are the modern trends. By the way, you do understand that medicine is going through quite a major paradigm shift. And by the time you graduate, many things sort of changed. The era of genomics is here, stem cell therapies and, genetic therapies and the Cas9 CRISPR system and so many other things are in the pipeline. So, किसी ना किसी तरीके से ना आपको, you need to jump on the bandwagon and, sort of make yourself be known and visible to people. Think करें, seek advice. Sometimes people like giving advice. So आप, LinkedIn पे, once you've connected to somebody, talk to them. So,
sir, to conclude, I want you to give one piece of advice for everyone here to kickstart their networking.
Get out of your hole. Get out. Most of the people I find Shalimar mein, I think we can probably make a movie, The Return of the Zombies. I think we wouldn't need to recruit any actors. Because, this is like Zombistan. जब मैं आता हूँ SMDC में तो बुरा हाल, malnourished या undernourished, नींद भी नहीं पूरी हुई है, and sort of walking through like अजीब ही ड्रामा. अब इस हालत में आपने जाके नेटवर्किंग करनी है तो वो कहेगा excuse me, this is not good. So your body language is suggesting that you're tired. I know that we all have addictions these days to one thing or another, and we end up spending a lot of time on those addictions. And then wo kya hota hai, sleeplessness, not getting enough sleep. And all of us, we feel kind of guilty कि हम अपनी addiction पे क्यों इतना time लगा रहे हैं. Somehow, time को balance करना है, and these habits of just sort of being lazy, introverted, not connecting to people, ये ज़रा मुश्किल काम है, बार-बार आपको कह रहा हूँ. Maybe I can do a mock with you. Those of you who are introverts, pretend I'm a stranger, come to my office. We'll pretend we're like sitting in Daewoo or something, या जहाज में बैठे हुए हैं. And let's see if you can start a conversation. So, I think internally, अगर ये चीज़ें होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं, तो then you move a level up. And, imagine, remember conferences are going on all the time. Online भी हो रही होती हैं, physical भी हैं. You can certainly, be a part of a conference. You can ask questions. या फिर जैसे मैं कह रहा था, reach greatness. ताकि लोग आपके पास आएं कि oh my God, दुनिया मेरे पास आ रही है, publish this remarkable paper. Yeah, I'm so brilliant कि मुझे कोई job, मुझे किसी network की ज़रूरत ही नहीं. How many of you like this? कि I'm so great कि मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं है किसी. है ना ज़रूरत? Okay, I know that all of you are looking towards Allama Iqbal International Airport. आप रोज़ाना सोचते हैं कि वो कौन सा दिन होगा जिस दिन मैंने one-way ticket लेनी है, and I'm going to say goodbye. I know. It happens every night. You're seeing these beautiful dreams. Okay, I'm working in California, and I've got a 7 Series BMW parked outside, and I've got a 2-acre lot and an 8-bedroom house. और मेरे माँ बाप इधर हैं, So I think you need to, if that's your idea, so you need to work towards that. Okay, if that is really what you want to do, so then come up with a strategy that's going to allow that dream to come true. लेकिन ये ऐसे नहीं होगा कि one day somebody's going to call you and say, here's a 7-bedroom house, here's the keys to a 7 Series BMW. ऐसे नहीं होगा. So it's okay, जो भी आपके dreams हैं, लेकिन sit down with yourself, stop being in denial, and come up with, little doable steps. What do you need to do to get to the top of Mount Everest? It's not impossible. आप जैसे लोग जो है ना, they climb these mountains. Is really, I found that the kinds of students I used to teach at Cambridge University and at Wisconsin, I found equally brilliant kids, at Al Khan University, at LUMS, and here also. I think there's, आप अपने आप को ये ना समझा करें कि हाय हम पाकिस्तानी हैं. वो अलग बात है कि हर पाकिस्तानी की ज़िंदगी में ना एक चीज़ तो पक्की है, ख्वारी. For sure. Things, you just need to have a big heart to sort of live through what's going on here. You need to have a positive mindset against, whatever is going on. अखबार तो खोल के देखें ना आप आजकल, या कभी भी ना खोल के देखें. लेकिन somehow you need to get that positive energy to, drive you forward. ताकि आप सुबह उठें छलांग मार के बिस्तर से कि, it's another day and I'm going to make the best of it. तो अगर ये होगा, तो I think then, sky's the limit for you. They can come up with a game plan. Nobody's asking you for a 20-year game plan. So just, something maybe in the next 4 or 5 years, what are your plans after graduation? And, where do you see yourself? And within medicine, what area of medicine? Is it radiology? Is it, ophthalmology? Are you passionate about surgery? That you need some clarity also. And that's going to help you. Maybe it's okay sometimes that, you get into like ophthalmology and after years, oh, I don't like it. Okay, so then, you're going to have to come up with a game plan. कि मैंने plan B क्या होगा मेरा. So I have a lot of faith in all of you. The students I teach that I've taught over the years, and there's like thousands of them. I've always had a lot of faith in my students, and I believe they can do things. Lekin, a couple of things get in the way. One is complacence, laziness, time management, So we're not talking about your processors, your bright people. Is waqt we're talking about discipline, time management, keeping your body and brain healthy, having that, failure is not an option attitude. वो वाली चीज. And I can assure you that each one of you is capable of amazing things. I have no doubt about that. So अगर ये आपके doubts हैं ना, तो let me assure you, purge that doubt out of yourself. वो किसी ने कहा हुआ ना कि इंसान का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन इंसान ही है. Yeah, get rid of that and sort of become a cheetah, become fearless. And inshallah, ये भी advice होती है उस दिन सैयद बाबर अली साहब के साथ. He used to come in, we used to meet every Wednesday at the School of Science and Engineering, and he would talk about honesty. And I remember once he said कि डॉक्टर साहब मेरा दिल करता है कि हर लम्स के ग्रेजुएट के पीछे ना 100% honesty की मोड़ लगी हो. And I mean, here's somebody who spent his life. तो वो एक ऐसी चीज है जो कि it's become unfortunately a rarity. लोग मैं पूछता हूँ ना कि what are your strengths? तो and honesty का जिक्र ही नहीं हो रहा होता. That should be at the very top. लेकिन these old-fashioned things, they will remain here forever, regardless of what happens. So I believe that on honesty and hard work, if you do that, I think the doors of heavens will open up and things will line up and amazing things are going to happen to you. So honesty and hard work are the way. और ये भी networking is also hard work. लेकिन करने बस जाके. कुछ लोगों के लिए तो बड़ी आसानी से हो रहा है. Daniel is somebody जो बड़े आराम से connection बना लेता है, and I'm sure there are many others here who I know क्योंकि वो मेरे ऑफिस में आते हैं, and I know their personalities, how easygoing they are. लेकिन there are many faces here जो कि probably they're frightened to come and meet me क्योंकि पता नहीं क्या होगा. So include me in your network also. That would be nice. I'm here to help you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that. कुछ सवालात हम audience से ले लें.
Okay.
We are open for questions.